Welcome to Shri Narayana Vidyalaya Kanhan online class. Subject Mathematics Standard 4. Topic Measurement. Let's learn length. Look here, student. This girl is thinking that the length I have measured is more than 5 centimeter. She is talking about the length of this box and she has a scale in her hand. But she has doubt, but less than 6 centimeter. How do I measure this length? She want to measure the length of this object. So, how will she measure this? She takes ruler. There are smaller markings between two adjacent centimeter markings. You will find them useful. Now she is happy to know the length of her object. The length I have measured is 5 centimeter and 3 small parts. So how will she find this length? We will see. Look here. This is ruler and from here to this number 1 is 1 centimeter and from here to number 2 centimeter. In this way you have to count the centimeter of any object. Look here, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. Now I will explain you about millimeters. What are millimeters? Look here, these small lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All these are the millimeters. Means 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter. In this way you have to measure the length of any object by using this ruler. And one thing always keep in mind, centimeter is written in short as cm. Cm means centimeter and millimeter is written in short as mm, like this. Means there will be no need of writing whole spelling of centimeter and millimeter. Only use cm for centimeter and mm for millimeter. Now look here, students, this is ruler and here this is exercise. Measure the length of the lines shown below and convert into millimeters. So look here, we will measure with the help of ruler like this. This is the line. From here it is of 4 centimeter. So you have to write here 4 centimeter. In the same way you have to measure this line also. And how much into 10 equals to mm, you have to also write here in this box. I hope you understand.